Have you been looking for this simple but yet delicious chili sauce? Then you are at the right place. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. Here we do easy cooking recipes and I am very sure that you will love them. So please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. Thank you so much. Let's start with today's business. So this is my Philippine chili, okay, and I have my yellow habanero pepper. I'll just go ahead and add my rosemary from my garden and then my bay leaves from my garden. I'll add some ginger that I got from my garden as well, and trust me, they are very flavorful. I have my garlic that I got from my garden. So I'll add everything, and then the next ingredient we are going to add is my bell pepper. Okay, so now I'm just going to wash the ingredients very well, and then we can proceed. To my returning followers and subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos, and thank you for today. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. Okay, now I'll go ahead and then remove the pedestal and then the other parts that I am not interested with. Okay, I'll remove it very well, wash it very well, and then we continue. Please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to like the video and then share to others for me. I'll be very happy so that we can reach wider audience. And please do well to watch other videos. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us and you will love it. If you want short videos, detailed ones, oh my goodness, you will love it on the other social media platforms. Now we are done washing everything. I'll go ahead and wash the bell pepper, and then we remove the other parts that we don't want. Okay, thank you so much. You can go ahead and use your knife to remove it, okay, but I think this way is easier for me than using the knife. So you can go ahead and use your knife to cut it instead of this. Okay, please, if you want to blend the seed, you can go ahead and blend it, but I will remove everything and then we can proceed. Thank you so much once again for clicking on today's video. I am very grateful. Okay, so when preparing this, you can go ahead and then blend your ingredients with water, but that is not what we are going to do. Okay, but before we proceed, I will add some onions and then blend this with my oil. This oil, I use it to fry some beef, and that is what we are going to add to the ingredient and then blend it. We are done blending it. I'll just pour everything on fire and we are good to go. If you blend it with oil, it reduces the cooking process. Okay, you will be able to finish on time. So it is advisable you add your oil to it instead of adding water to it. So we leave it on fire so we see oil on top, and after 5 minutes, this is how the sauce is looking. You can see the oil has started appearing and it already looks very delicious. I will give it a stir and then leave it on fire for some few minutes, and after some few minutes I will be with you. Thank you so much. After extra 2 minutes, I will just go ahead and add my sardine to the sauce. If you want to add fish powder, you can go ahead and add it, or shrimp powder or crayfish powder, you can go ahead and add it. I have another recipe on wherever you are watching me. Okay, you will love it, and it is a different way I made it. Okay, but today we are going to add the sardines, and the motive here is not for us to get sardine and then enjoy, but to mash it in the sauce. Because of the sardine, you make sure you fry the sauce very well so that it can stay for a very long time. If not, you have to put it in the freezer so that it will not spoil or it will last longer. Now this is how the sauce is looking. I've added my seasoning, I've added my fish seasoning, and I am stirring it. I realized that the salt wasn't enough, so I added salt as well, and just look at that, it looks so delicious. Now our sauce is ready. You can pair it with your kenkey, your bangkun, anything that you want to pair this with. It will go very well. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you are going to pair this with. See you in the next one, and take good care of yourself. Eat healthy. I love you.